Assalamu Alaikum. Myself, Colonel Mohammad Rashidul Islam Khan, presently working as Principal, United Public School and College. This is a new institution, just started in 2022. Though new, but it has already established its good footprints in the arena of education. In Mamshing Board, it is already an iconic institution. After the Cadet College, its result stands in second position. We have two batches already passed out from this institution, and both these batch of SSC, they have attained exemplary result over 80% GPA 5. We are making our students excellent student, not only as a student but also a good human being. Our HHE batch is going to sit for the HSC exam this year, and I hope all of them will be good. If you want to have or if you want to attain a good quality education for your child, you should opt for this institution, United Public School and College. All the best.